Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick wash and go. So the first thing that I'm going to do is section my hair into 4 sections. And I do this because it makes the detangling process in the shower a lot easier. Now, I'm going to work with one section at a time, using water to moisturize and conditioner to soften. I'm also going to be doing a lot of finger detangling so that I'm not breaking my hair, especially with it being so dry right now. So once my hair is coated with enough water and conditioner, I go back in using my comb to check for any remaining tangles or knots. Once I see that everything is smooth, then I move on to the next section. To keep the moisture in while I'm doing the rest of my strands, I do my twist and roll method, where I twist my hair and tuck it to keep the moisture in, especially at the ends of my hair. So I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like after I moisturize versus before moisturizing. As you can see, it makes a huge difference. So now I'm done with pre-conditioning my hair. I'm now going to put my hair into 4 sections and hit the shower. I use the 4-section method the entire time that I'm in the shower. Be right back. So now we are fully washed, shampooed, and conditioned. If you check the link in the description box, you can see the products that I use for shampooing and conditioning. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. I don't worry about straight parts because it won't affect the wash and go in the end. I'm using As I Am's olive and tea tree oil leave-in conditioner, mainly because it's for dry and itchy scalp. And lately, my scalp has been real itchy, so I'm trying to care for that. But you'll see later when I'm working with smaller sections that I apply more of this product to my scalp. So I apply the leave-in conditioner throughout my hair and continue to do my roll and tuck method. This, again, is so my ends stay moisturized so that it's not dry by the time I'm ready to work on a particular section. All sections have been coated with the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to go in with my cream. The cream that I'm using is Adwoa, and I picked this up from Sephora. It's really moisturizing and it feels like butter as soon as I apply it to my hair. Now I'm going to work in smaller sections to make sure that all of my hair is coated with enough product so that it stays moisturized throughout the week. I make sure to apply enough product, especially on the ends of my hair. And to do this, I use my comb to comb the product through. And when I'm done, you can see how bouncy and flowy and moisturized my hair strands look. Yes. When I'm done with the section, the last thing that I do is apply some olive oil to lock all of that moisture in. And now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps. So the liquid, the cream, and the oil. So now I'm done with this section, and as you can see, these curls are popping. Now I'm just going to clip my hair. I'm not going to do the tuck and roll method, only because I want my hair to air dry as much as possible. So I'm on my last section, and I'm doing again the liquid, cream, and oil method. So now I'm done. I'm just going back in and removing all of the clips. Now I'm going to be diffusing my hair. I'm going to be using my Diva Curl Diffuser on a cool setting to help with drying. I try to diffuse for about 15 to 20 minutes max. I mostly do it to get rid of the white residue from the products and to make sure that my hair isn't soaking wet. Now it's time to pick. I'm really big on volume over length. I love big hair. So in these next clips, you're going to be seeing me picking a lot. Now I'm going to use some Eco Styling Gel, the olive oil kind, and I'm just going to go in on my edges and try to smoothen and flatten it as much as possible. Yes, ma'am. Lay them down. And once I'm done, I'm gonna put on my scarf and let my hair set for about 15 to 30 minutes while I get dressed and do my makeup. And just like that, we are ready. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love y'all.